Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to create dot chart in Power BI. To load the dot chart, we will go in Get More Visuals, click here on Comparison, click on the dot chart, press Add. As soon as you press Add, this app will appear in the visualization section. You can see here. Click on it. Now it requires a category and values. So pick up the subcategory and drop the values profit. Activate the focus mode. So now it displays that all those which are on the right hand side, they are all profit making businesses. On left hand side, they are all making losses. You can see here bookcases, supplies, and tables. So this was all about how to create dot chart in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. You can also like and share my videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter, link given in the description box.